So you're looking for a great resource for your graphic design, portfolio reviews, classes, education, placement. Well, guess what? Right now I'm here with Randy from Aquent. Randy, how you doing?
Great. Thanks for having me, Scott.
Great. So tell me about what you guys are doing here at Graphics Americas. You got a cool area set up. I know you're doing a lot of conference tracks here, but you're also doing portfolio reviews. A lot of neat stuff going on.
Well, it's a great print show, and there are a lot of graphic designers still in the print world, and Aquent is firmly there as well. So we help folks find jobs, and we help our clients find great graphic design talent. So we're a global organization. We work with companies large and small, North America, Asia Pacific, and Europe. And we place graphic designers, production artists, art directors, copywriters, anyone involved in the creation of the media.
So tell me how a graphic designer would actually start working with you guys. I know you must have to submit some kind of portfolio. You need to look at what the work these people are doing to see if they're worthy of placement. So how's all this process work?
Sure. I mean, we are picky and fussy, so we're looking for really good folks that have a lot of experience and that have great portfolios, and conversely, so are our clients. So I would say the first step is to contact us through our website or over the telephone, and we're going to ask you to show us samples of your work. Probably the best and easiest way to do that is to have a website, because we will go and easy just to go and check it and open up a browser. Using PDFs for specific samples is great as well. When we actually come in and have you come into the office, we're going to do a more in-depth portfolio review. So we're going to sit down, and if you have an actual book, or if you have a website, we're going to go kind of comprehensively through your work.
What do you suggest the best way to show people off? I mean, traditionally it's been a book, it's been some kind of printed material. I still personally think this is the best way. What's your thoughts on presenting your work to someone like yourself, to a client, to an employer, to anybody?
My personal preference is that a great designer would have a great book, a physical book, and that it would include their best work. I mean, I think one of the biggest mistakes that designers make is thinking they need to put everything in the kitchen sink in their book. And really, their portfolio should be about their best work and about the best contributions that they've made in that process. However, we've got a lot of clients, and they will tell us we're looking for digital samples. So you should be able to present a good sampling of your work digitally, either with PDFs or a website.
Well, I think if you're going to design a book, you're going to design it as some piece of software anyway, so you can save this out as a PDF. The question comes, though, is a lot of designers are skewed in their process thinking, well, this is great work. Well, maybe it might not be great work. So do you help people say, you know something, out of your body of work, here's 40 pieces that are worth showing?
More like 10 would be, no, absolutely. I mean, clearly we're going to try to help folks get trim their book down, get it to the best stuff, and make the best, presentation we can to their customers. Most graphic designers who are looking for work are trying to, widen the net, so to speak. So they want to include a lot of different types of samples. Our clients probably have a little bit narrower scope, so we're trying to get them into that target zone.
So what do you think is a good number? Is it 10 really good pieces of work to show off? Not 40, not 30? 10's a good one?
I would say it's probably between 10 and 20, depending on how long you've been doing it, with an emphasis on more current work.
And should it be to a niche, a certain genre, or is it good to show the kitchen sink where I've done a logo, I've done a restaurant menu, I've done something for the car dealer, I've done something for the web? I mean, what do you put in your portfolio? What do you put in your book?
Certainly, a range of projects makes a lot of sense. But I think the larger the clients and the more recognizable the brands or the products or the businesses are, that's going to be really important to our customers.
Better to have the stuff from a Fortune 500 than Joey's Pizza up the street.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So tell me about...
I would not want to see, I personally, we don't want to see restaurant menus. Which is great work, and a lot of graphic designers do it. But yeah, we're looking for something that probably is a larger company and that had a wider distribution.
Maybe if it's for Wolfgang or Emerald, it's okay. But otherwise, leave out Joey's Pizza Shack or whatever off the deal.
Absolutely.
So where do we find out information about what you guys are doing, your classes, the training, the portfolio work, the representation, everything you're doing?
Certainly, you can go to aquent.com and give a list of all of our resources there. You can apply to us online and connect to any of our agents and any of our 70 offices around the world, and that's probably the best place.
Randy, thanks so much.
Thanks, Scott.
There you go. Great resource for graphic designers. Definitely check them out.